Good afternoon once again, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I've created this YouTube channel for a long time now, and uh, uh, this is the reason why I created it. I'm a trader. I've been trading for some time, and yeah, today we're just gonna look at one of the reason why I created this YouTube channel, like analyzing the market. Guys, actually I analyzed this already in one video, but it was so not clear that you guys could catch this. Check this out, guys. This impulsive move of the dancer that you see right now, this is what I analyzed before it happened. So I wish I could upload this earlier, but what is more important is the strategy, like what I used for me to see that this impulse was going to happen. So this is what I'm gonna share with you in this video. It's just gonna be short and brief. I'll try to be very short and brief. So guys, you should stick around, find a chair, sit down and relax yourself and enjoy this video. Most importantly, click that subscribe button, because I'm gonna releasing videos like this each and every day. Like, we're gonna analyze together and we're gonna grow together. But this is so far, this is how it begins. So let's go through it. Guys, this is actually my currency account. What we're gonna do today is we are just analyzing. Guys, I'm not trading today, but I'm just sharing with you some important tips. Okay, what I'm going to share with you is the use of trend lines. So I'm just going to share with you the use of trend lines. You see, this is going to be my pointer because I'm actually using a phone, so this is actually gonna be my pointer. So every time you see the middle of this thing, that is I'm pointing at something, like, using the middle of this a line. So we're gonna go to Euro USD. That's one of my favorite currency. I like it, I love it. I've made a lot from this currency. It has become like part of me now. If I want to sleep, I know where it is right now. So but let me just turn the screen for you guys. Okay, the most important thing is you need to identify the outer structure first thing first. So outer structure is, you go to the long time frame, like in a daily time frame, you have to check what is happening there. So what you need to find out is, you need to know where the market is, whether the market is impulsing or correcting. What we are actually finding out is the nature of the market. So that is the most important thing. Always when you enter a market, when you go in the market, you need to look at where the market is, like in the daily time frame. If you go to I don't usually use the weekly time frame, because we all use different strategies. So this is the daily time frame. So I need to know where the market is right now. So the nature of the market was firstly in the impulsive, not impulsive, but in the let me put the trend line here. See, guys, so it was firstly in the corrective phase. So it was in the corrective phase. It was correcting, like it was moving. A corrective phase, guys, this is when it moves like this. I'll use my pointer. You see, this is a lower, a higher low. So then it moves the upside. It hits the top part, moves down here, all the way here, up, down, up. So it's not actually making those big movements. It's making short movements in a corrective way. Like, it's actually going to the downside, but at the same time, it's not really moving in a correct impulsively, like making those especially here, that it's moving the downside. It's not making those long moves to the downside. So it's moving correctively, but it's still going down, you see. Yeah, so lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, just like that. And then so once you find out where the market is, it will help you understand like what you're looking for in the market. Are you looking for buys, are you looking for sells, and all that. So now we know that the market is after it was in a corrective phase, it actually broke out, guys. You see this way it broke out, boom, it came back, and then you see it created this and then broke out here, and then it tested with this this is a daily time frame, guys. So it broke out. So you see this is the impulsive form now. See, move from here to here very impulsively. So if you see there's a difference between this and this short one here, like I'll take this here, short one. So it moved from here to here like very short, with candlesticks that are like doji's and all that, and then here you see candlestick with big momentum, like very long candlesticks. So this is what we call an impulsive phase. So it was in a corrective phase, now it is in an impulsive phase, which is trying to reverse back to the upside. So we already get a picture. The market now is in the impulsive phase to the upside. So it either, now what you're going to look for in the long term, in the lower time frame, is we're going to look for if it's going to continue impulsing up, or will it reverse back to the downside. See how easy that is. So now this is what I created earlier on. So in the 1 hour, guys, in the 4 hours, guys. So let me zoom this. So see, guys, this is almost like it. So this was the corrective phase, you know that what I'm talking about. This is not easy to trade, guys, because the market will be moving up and down, up and down. There's not really prediction. So when you're trading this, you must be a professional. You must be ready to put your stop loss further, because it will keep on hitting your stop loss and all that, guys. So trading this corrective phase is not it's not easy, guys. So now it reversed here and created this impulsive move to the upside, and then retested this area, the area here where you see I drew a trend line. Now it moved up and then created those 2 weeks up there, you see. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we want to find out what is going to happen from there. What is going to happen from here? Will it come down or will it continue going up? Now let's go to the 1 hour and break this. See how I'm breaking my things. I'm moving from the high time frame to the lower time frame. Now I'm at 1 hour. See, at 1 hour the charts, the trend lines are clear. So it made a touch here when it first tested, made a touch, and then boom, went up until they came down, made a second touch, not really that much, and then boom, went to the upside to the resistance and came back to the support again. So this trend line, this behaves as resistance, support again at the same time. So you must bear that in mind. So if you zoom in, you see what's going on. So now what I did was I again what we call pattern inside patterns. So you see, if you look at this, I still drew something inside this, so just to get a clear view. So after these 2 weeks, you see this week here and this, and then it came down, like there was a resistance up here, or you see where I drew this trend line up here. So the market could not break this, it wasn't gonna go up again. So it was like it would go up and stop here, go up and stop here. So you must actually come to notice zones like that, because so if the market is respecting that zone, just know there's a reason why the market is respecting that zone. So far, if we zoom in 1 hour, see it has made like a long wick to the downside, and that is the one like I predicted. That's why I not really predicted, but I analyzed, because we don't just predict here. Yes, we do predict, but you have to do your analysis in order to make that prediction after that. So you don't just predict it's going up, it's going down. You have to see. I had to take time to look at the market. So I like look at this resistance. It resisted here and then resisted here, and again boom, it came down here. So if you see where it is right now, it's coming to do a third touch on my trend line. See, guys, it's coming to do a third touch on my trend line here. It made a touch here. Now there's going to be a third touch. So with that being a third touch, guys, this can still continue going up, or it's gonna break that, and it's gonna break that and go down again. So let's go further. Let's go further to the 15 minute. 15 minutes, that's what 15 minutes says. 15 minutes says, yeah. So guys, resistance. So double top here, boom, came down, but it couldn't, and then they just made those fast breakouts, and then boom, took whoever that bought here, took them out. So that is what we're actually looking for. So now see this touch, first touch, second touch, third touch, now another touch there. So either this touch is gonna get exhausted, or it's gonna obey to this resistance support line and then go back up like that, or it's gonna like just continue going down, because guys, you know, we have a rule of a 90% rule. So now if you look at this impulse here, now it had this it created this pattern of a continuation pattern here, which is a pattern inside pattern. But the overall structure, what is the pattern, the overall pattern of this? Like I would put it as guys, we have ascending channels, ascending channels, we have a lot of wave triangles, we have a lot of patterns, you know. But this is if it's a continuation like that, then it has to be an ascending channels like that, like it has to come from the downside to the top like that. So yeah, so but here we don't know where the market is really leading to, but after this touch we have to wait. You have to wait for whatever candlestick is going to form, otherwise it's going to move boom down until this range, create something like this, and then go back up, or it's going to obey to this and make a third touch there, which and then continue going up for a while before it comes back down. So guys, in short, that is what I like just analyze for you today with the Euro USD. So what you have to do yourself is just wait and see what candlestick is gonna form. It's this is the point. This is the time where you have to be like patient. You know, you have to be patient with the market, because you don't really know what the market will do after that. Some people try to figure it out on themselves, like, no, here this is the time I trade, obviously the market's gonna do this, the market's gonna do that. But wait for the market to tell you what to do. That is what I always do, like I wait. So it's very, if you look at the candlestick that is forming here, it is very bearish, and then you see mostly this impulse was just stopped because of this corrective pattern to form, like, and then continue. So here I know it's gonna continue going down unless a reversal signals comes in. So guys, you have to check it out yourself. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'm using a phone to record this, guys. If you want more of this analysis, just drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'll be doing this every day and analyze with you guys. Thank you. Enjoy.